Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Bosch brand dishwasher and you're getting an E16 error. And you're wondering, what is this error and how can I get rid of it? So the E16 error is a water intake error. So basically when you turn it on, it wants to run a cycle, and to run a cycle it tries to intake water. And if it does not get the water that it needs, it will put up the E16 error. So all you need to do to fix this error is to figure out, well, why is water not getting into the machine? So there's a couple things to do. First of all, you just want to check the valve where the hose is hooked up to and make sure the valve is open. Make sure your water is on. Make sure the water is on to your house. Make sure the water is on going to the machine. The second thing is the intake hose that goes from the water source into the back of your machine. This can get kinked or bent or smushed or something like that, which would prevent water from flowing. So sometimes, like when you install the dishwasher, if they push it too hard against the wall, it will end up bending or kinking the hose, and the hose won't be able to get water into the machine. And then finally, you can unscrew the hose, and there is a filter screen for debris, and make sure there's no debris in there that is preventing water from flowing through that hose. And if you check all those things, you're almost certain to figure out why is water not getting into the dishwasher, and you'll get it fixed and you'll get your machine working again. So anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.